We will see that how you can create a pool on AWS Cognito. So AWS Cognito is basically a medium which provides authentication, authorization, and user management for the web and mobile application. For example, if you have created an application, a mobile application or web application, and you want to provide authentication and authorization to your application, then you need to write the code your application for the sign in for sign in and sign up web page, but by using AWS Cognito, you just need to create the user pool, and with the some with few clicks, and also you don't need to manage the whole database, and with the code you need to manage the database. So let's see what is AWS Cognito. So Amazon Cognito user pools lets you add a registration and sign in to your apps. Here you can see, and with Amazon Cognito identity pools, you can provide AWS credentials for access to your cloud resources. So this is the AWS Management Console, and here is the Amazon Cognito service. So let's start here. You can see I have created an Django application. I have created an web application on Django framework. So here this is the HTML page, and we are going to provide the service AWS Cognito service on this application. So let's run this. I have run this Django server. Here you can see this is my web page. I have created the website of text analyzing. So this is my login and sign up page. Here you can see there is nothing inside this button. But now let's create. So go to the management console and go to the Amazon Cognito service and click on create user pool. And here you can see, first of all, we have to choose the provider type. You can also select federated identity providers for now, but for now I'm not choosing this one. And here you have to choose the sign in options. You have the various options like username, email, and phone number. You can select all these things, that you can select all the checkboxes, but I am going with the email option only, that my users can sign in and sign up only with the email option. So now click on next, and here you can see the password policy. We can also use the cognito defaults, and we can also create the our custom password policy, that here you can see the checkboxes of numbers, special characters, and uppercase and all lowercase. You can choose whatever you want to do. I'm going with the I'm choosing this one. Okay, so minimum length is 8. You can decrease or increase the length. And here in this is multi-factor authentication. These are the options. So I am going with the no multi-factor authentication. So here you can see the option user account recovery. So with this option, by enabling this, a user will be able to recover the account, like user can forgot their password. So this is the method for forgetting their password: email, SMS only, and all these things. I am going with the email, that user can forget their password with the email only. So, okay, so now click on next, and here you can see self registration. It means that new users can register for an account themselves. Okay, self service sign up. Here you can see this is the attribute verification and user account confirmation options. Okay, cognito assisted verification and confirmation. This means that uh, 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 in which method we need to send the confirmation mail. So a confirmation, so we will send we can send on SMS, and then verify our number, and we can send on mail, and we can verify email address. And this here is option. I am going with the mail verification. And okay, this is the verifying attribute changes, like if you if user will update their phone number and email address or and other details in future, then uh, user can user have to update the mail ID, or that changes the user have done. So I am here you I am enabling this option for user. So here the required attributes. So here are some other attributes you can create. You can add like address, birthday, family name, gender. So but I am going only with the email option, so I am canceling these options like family name and gender. And you can also create your custom attributes here from here. Okay, but I am going with the email, so now click on next, and here you can see the email provider. So there are two options, that there is a service, Amazon SES, that will send the email, that will provide the email, and here also cognito will send the mail. So I'm sending the mail with AWS cognito. Here this is the reason, and here this is the mail ID. From this mail ID, user will receive the verification mail. So click with the no, this is the mail, no reply at that verificationmail.com. Okay, so now click on next, and here we have to give the name for our pool, user pool. So I'm giving the name test pool. Here you can see, and this is the hosted authentication pages. Okay, I'm enabling this option as I want the user interface. I want to host the user interface, and here we have to select the domain. We can also select the custom to our custom domain, and we have also select our. We can also select our cognito domain. So I'm going with the cognito domain and giving the domain. I'm giving here the domain name test. So yes, this is available. So we will use this domain. So this is the app type. You can select whatever you want to do. I am going with the another. These are the three options: public client, confidential client, and other. You can go that your application wants the needs. So here you have to give the name. I am giving the name test app. You have to test app client. So this is my app client name, and here you have to provide the URL. So okay, so I will copy the URL from here. Just copy the URL and paste here. Allowed callback URLs option. So now, okay, you can also add another URLs, but I'm going with the this one. So click on next, and here you can see you, these things we have added in our user pool. So this is password policy, multi-factor authentication, recovery option, self-service sign up. These all are the things. Okay, so I think all things are good. So now click on create user pool. Yes, so you can see the user pool has been created successfully. Here you can see, just go inside the our pool, and here for now there is no user because we have not added any user yet. So these are the groups sign in experience, and under user pool, go to the app integration option, and here you can see the domain name, and this is the hosted UI customization. This is the app client name. Just go inside this app client name, and here you can see our app client information. And here in the hosted UI you can see view hosted UI. Just click on view hosted UI user interface. So here you can see the sign in web page, so provided by the AWS Cognito. So just copy the URL and go inside your application that we have created, and I am pasting the URL inside this href button. Okay, so let's run this. I'm going to refresh my web page again. Okay, so now just click on login or sign up. So here you can see the sign up page is showing now. So we have to register ourselves firstly. So click on sign up, go to the sign up page, and type the email here. So this is my mail id. So we have to give the password. You can see the password must contain a lowercase letter that we have selected in our AWS console. So must contain an uppercase. So we have to provide the password like this. So with this pattern, so I'm giving the password. So here all the conditions are matched now. So click on sign up. So yes, oh we so the verification code is sent to this mail id. So I will give the verification code. So the code is 454222. Okay, now click on confirm account. Okay, so our account is signed up successfully. We have not added any HTML page here, so this is showing this one. So now let's check on our user pool that we have created. Go to the user pool and go inside our test pool that we have created, and here you can see I'm going to just refresh this page. So here you can see the one user is added. So the email is verified and status is confirmed. So here you can see we have created successfully. So with this way you can use the AWS Cognito. So thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to press the like and subscribe button.